So today I'm going to show you the #1 cause of clarinet squeaking, and that is your lower joint B key pads. So the B key that you're going to be pressing is actually this lever right here, this one. And when I press it, these bottom pads will go down, like so. And you can notice that this foot and this little lily pad are also going down. So what causes a squeak is whenever these two keys are not sealing together. So that means one key is hitting and preventing the other one from closing. So we want them to close at the same time. And it is okay if one pad is a little bit higher. I think you can see on this one, this pad is a little higher than this one. That's fine as long as they're closing together. So we're going to go ahead and check. So in order to see this and to fix it, you're going to need a small piece of plastic, thin. This is a Ziploc bag, so not too fancy. You may need a lighter. If you have a torch, that's best. And acetylene works the best. That's what we use in our shop. But you can buy instrument torches specifically for moving pads. And you're also going to need a pad slick, and if you can't get access to that, this particular one came from a wood, removing scratches from wood, so flattening putty and stuff that you put in the scratch to level it out. So this will work really great for what we need. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look and see if there's a leak. So when I press this down, I'm not pressing hard, I'm pressing a normal amount, just like my pinky would press if I was playing it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap on these. And if it sounds, we'll see what it sounds like. So they both sound the same. Now I'm going to bend one of them so you can hear what it would sound like if it was opening. So this one is open and it's a little bit higher pitched than this one. And this one's a little bit hollower sounding, and that's because it's open. And if the hearing thing isn't really working for you, no big deal. You can use your piece of plastic and figure it out yourself. So what we do is we are going to press down our B key like we were doing before, and I like to kind of have it at an angle. And I'm going to place the plastic underneath the pad and press. And I'm going to pull plastic. And if I get a tug, that means it's closing. And I'm going to do this for each pad. And both of the pads are sort of closing, but one is definitely resisting stronger than the other one when it comes to pulling this. So that's what we need to adjust. Even if there's just a difference in resistance, that will still cause a student to squeak. Guaranteed. So this one is closing before this one is, and this is not closing. So there are a couple things you can do to fix it. I'm going to teach you the easiest way. This is the fastest way to do it. And I hope you enjoy. So since this one is not going down, we need to bend it down. It's easier to bend down than it is to bend up. So we're going to bend it down. So to do that, I'm going to take my thumb right here, and I'm going to place it underneath, I'm going to place it on the lily pad and this key to make sure that they don't go down when I try to press, because when I press this down, the lily pad will go down. So I'm going to hold it so that when I press down on this, this will come down. So I'm going to stick my thumb on it like this, and I'm just going to push 2 times. And if you're really strong, keep it back a little bit. Just a gentle push. 1, and I just did it 2 times and check. So you're going to do a little bit and check. It's better to do too little than do too much and have to correct. So let's go ahead and check. So already this may be enough. So just those 2 pushes was enough to seal these. And so I'm going to go ahead and tap on them and see if you can hear. So they're much closer in pitch. This one is no longer lower than this one, which is great. And if you do push down too far and this one goes too low, instead of bending this one down, you need to adjust this one because this is the one that you bent. So you would take your pad slick and you'd place it underneath the pad and you just push up. And you don't need to push up a lot, just the same kind of motion, just a gentle like push, push, and stop there. And that's how you adjust it.